Have you ever pondered upon what the future holds for AI and image generation? As we hurtle into the future, we're witnessing an astonishing surge in advancements in artificial intelligence. This realm of technology is evolving at an unprecedented pace, and it's having a profound impact on the way we generate images and videos. Imagine a world where machines can not only understand but also create realistic, high-quality images and videos. This isn't a scene from a science fiction movie, but a reality that is gradually taking shape, thanks to a revolutionary concept known as Generative Adversarial Networks, or GANs for short. GANs are transforming the landscape of image and video generation, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. They're enabling machines to generate realistic images, create virtual worlds, and even dream up entirely new pieces of art. The world of AI and image generation is on the cusp of a seismic shift. This is where Generative Adversarial Networks, or GANs, come into play. So what exactly are these Generative Adversarial Networks? Well, let's dive right into it. Generative Adversarial Networks, or GANs, are a fascinating area of artificial intelligence. They're a bit like a magic show, where the illusionist pulls a rabbit out of a hat. But instead of a magician and a rabbit, we've got a generator and a discriminator. Think of the generator as an ambitious artist, striving to create the most convincing counterfeit masterpiece. The artist, however, doesn't start off with perfection. The first attempts might look more like a child's scribbles than a Mona Lisa, but with each failed attempt, the artist learns and improves. Now, enter the discriminator, playing the role of a seasoned art critic. The critic's job is to distinguish the artist's counterfeit from the real deal. The critic examines each piece, pointing out the flaws and inconsistencies that give away its true origin. In this ongoing dance, both the artist and the critic are constantly learning from each other. The artist uses the critic's feedback to create better counterfeits, while the critic sharpens its eye for detail with each new piece it reviews. So, in the world of artificial intelligence, the generator is the part of the GAN that creates new data instances, like images, sounds, or even pieces of text. It's constantly trying to come up with data so convincing that the discriminator can't tell it apart from the real thing. The discriminator, on the other hand, is the part of the GAN that evaluates these instances for authenticity. It tries to figure out if what the generator produced is genuine or a cleverly crafted fake, and thus, the cycle continues. The generator, like our artist, gets better and better at creating convincing fakes. The discriminator, like our critic, becomes more adept at spotting the fakes. The two keep pushing each other, improving in tandem, all in the name of creating and recognizing more realistic generated data. In essence, GANs are a tug-of-war between a creator and a critic, each trying to outdo the other. So, how does this back and forth between the generator and discriminator benefit us? Well, the power of generative adversarial networks lies in their ability to create and transform. They can generate realistic images, transform one type of image into another, enhance resolution, and even generate realistic human faces. Imagine a world where we can generate high-quality images from simple sketches, or transform a sunny day into a rainy one in a photograph. That's the power of GANs. They're not just about creating new images, but also enhancing the ones we already have. GANs are already making waves in various industries. In entertainment, they're used to create hyper-realistic characters and environments. In healthcare, they help in creating synthetic medical images for research. And in security, GANs are used to improve facial recognition systems. With GANs, the possibilities are truly staggering. Their ability to mimic reality through data can change the way we see and interact with the digital world. As we look towards the future, one thing is certain. GANs are here to stay. These ingenious networks are not just a fleeting trend. They are shaping up to be a cornerstone of AI development. We've seen how GANs work, these dueling networks, the generator and discriminator, locked in a continuous game of deception and detection. They've already made their mark in image and video generation, creating content so realistic, it's sometimes hard to tell it's artificial. But the promise of GANs extends far beyond that. Imagine a world where AI can create personalized video content on demand, or generate unique, lifelike avatars for every online user. The potential of GANs to revolutionize industries and transform our digital interactions is immense. So next time you come across an impressively realistic image or video, remember, it might just be the work of a GAN.